Computer science and computer engineering may sound similar, but they are distinct fields of study. Both fields involve technology and computers, but they have different focuses and career paths. Computer science emphasizes software development, algorithms, and solving complex problems using programming languages. Computer engineering focuses on the design, development, and maintenance of computer hardware and systems. In computer science, you'll learn about coding, artificial intelligence, data structures, and algorithms. Computer engineering, on the other hand, covers digital logic, computer architecture, networking, and embedded systems. Computer science students often work on software applications, web development, and data analysis. Computer engineering graduates may work on hardware design, robotics, computer networks, or even building computer chips. Computer science majors often focus more on theoretical concepts and programming languages. Computer engineering majors receive a broader education, studying hardware, software, and electrical engineering principles. Computer science programs usually require higher-level math courses, such as calculus and discrete mathematics. Computer engineering programs require foundational courses in physics, circuits, and electrical engineering principles. Computer science graduates can pursue careers as software developers, data analysts, or even pursue research. Computer engineering graduates can become embedded systems engineers, hardware designers, or work in telecommunications. Computer science programs may have more flexibility, allowing students to choose various specializations or concentrations. Computer engineering programs are more structured, focusing on a balance of hardware and software courses. Both fields offer excellent job opportunities and high earning potential, but the demand for each may vary depending on location and industry. Computer science graduates often find work in industries such as technology, finance, healthcare, and gaming. Computer engineering graduates may work in industries such as telecommunications, aerospace, defense, or robotics. In summary, computer science and computer engineering are distinct fields, each with its own unique focus and career opportunities. Whether you choose computer science or computer engineering, both can lead to exciting and rewarding careers in the tech industry.